Please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Nine-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry. All recruits to transport. No need for safety here. It'll be a smooth. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate re-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear to launch.
Squads, we're rolling up.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes. I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport take off in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nine-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are high. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump! They're all over us!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Oh, wow. The ship is now under command of the First Order. You'll all disembark and proceed down the corridor for interrogation.
Excuse me. So sorry, I'm sorry about
Way to give away our location, Lee.
I would not be a good spy.
No, you would not.
How many? Wait, right there.
Spies, I need a single file line. That means one behind the other. Target, were you told to move?
No.
No, you weren't. So why did you? You were told to move. They weren't. You were told to move. Yes, run out the back. Go, run it back. Now you have to start.
Why would we want you? We just captured you off the resistance.
Both lines, let's go. How many? How many?
One. How many behind them by chance? One, you're on blue. Two, you're on red. How many? Two, you're on blue. One, you're on blue. How many? Three, you're on orange. Yeah. How many? One, you're on orange with them. How many? You're on silver right here. One, you're on silver as well. Now spies, face this way. Listen up. I've given each of you a color code. Look down at the ground. Memorize yours. You will find these colors inside the cell that is ready to go in. Any bags, any hats. Remove them now and hold them in your hands at this time. Hats off, bags on. Now, your interrogators will be meeting you all inside of the cell. They are well aware that you have decided to join the resistance. You know the location of the secret base. It is only a matter of time before one of you will confess. Tell us where the base is. The longer where you decide what secret however. What's going on over here? You're drinking what? You don't have anything in your hands. Oh, wait, where'd you go? Let's go. Go into the cell. Get out of my sight. Silver or swallow. Take that one with you. I don't want it.
Oh, she's yours.
Oh, I definitely know. I'd rather be used by a Sarlacc.
Watch out for this girl. That Mr.
Yes, General. Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
On this side, silver in the front, orange in the back. Silver in the front, orange in the back.
Wait, still here? I was coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape.
There we go. Sorry. Just like that. Thank you. Row one, row two, all hands up. Row one, row two, all hands up. There we go. Thank you. Just like that. Watch this left side or right side. If he's got any loose cargo, hold on. But I see like more short.
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D.
Never go. Fire. Take cover, recruits. If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pods are full of us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations! Sir, the prisoners have escaped!
How brave. Well and ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Resistance is about to be destroyed.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the deck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scaffold's pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's
Wreckage? Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.